going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. And today's cocktail, guys, is the Cheeky Vimto and the extra Cheeky Vimto. And I will show you these two variations of this cocktail. So first of all, just your normal Cheeky Vimto. Right, to make a Cheeky Vimto, guys, it's two ingredients. It's port and blue WKD. So you get your pint glass. And you pour in 25ml, or for an American one, 30ml for an ounce, or 1 part of port. And all you do now, guys, is top it up with blue WKD. There you go, that's Cheeky Vimto. But say this is optional now, the garnish. We're putting in blackberries, yes, I should have said that. A little bit 4, and then 4 raspberries. There you go, a Cheeky Vimto. Easy as that. Just bring it close to that. And next up, guys, is the extra Cheeky Vimto. The difference with this is you add vodka included with the port. So again, 25ml or 30ml of port. $30ml or 1 ounce of vodka. Just fill it up with blue WKD again. Right, I think we'll garnish it again. We'll put in 4 blackberries and 4 raspberries. There we go. Alright, a Cheeky Vimto and an extra Cheeky Vimto. How did they taste? We'll go with the Cheeky Vimto. It's quite nice actually. Because if you like WKD, it fits quite well the port. Alright. Let's see if this tastes any difference with the vodka in it. Good there, does it? It's quite soothing, that. It's quite nice. So I take it that I did the vodka to make it that extra Cheeky Vimto, to give it a little bit of a kick with the vodka. Lovely. But say I think my personal preference is I like the Cheeky Vimto. But the port and I think the port and the WKD blue, it's just a lovely combination. Well, that is all for now, guys. The Cheeky Vimto and the extra Cheeky Vimto. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, because it's a nice and easy drink. Because they're both very lovely. My personal preference, just the Cheeky Vimto, just about wins it for me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as we're now on 412 subs. We're getting ever closer to my goal of 500 subs before 2020 is out. Because you have been fantastic the last 4 months, so I really do appreciate it, and hopefully you will stick around. But I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.
Oh look, MixedSid, you forgot the ice. Clumsy bartender.